You are standing in the middle of your living room holding a box that promises to turn a quiet Friday night into a full-blown concert. It screams 70 watts of power right there on the front in big letters. That number sounds like it should shake the windows and rattle the neighbors across the street. But we all know that big numbers on a retail box can be a bit of a magic trick. This latest party speaker from a well-known budget brand tries to walk a very thin line. It wants to be a powerhouse while staying affordable. Let's talk about what happens when you actually hit the power button. First off, the volume is definitely there. It really is. It can fill a medium-sized room without breaking a sweat. If you just want loud music while you clean the house or host a few friends for drinks, it does that job well. It even has those flashing, colorful lights that make everything feel a bit more like a club. There is something undeniably fun about a speaker that doesn't take itself too seriously. You get a remote control, which is actually quite handy when you are busy hosting. It even has inputs for a microphone if you feel like subjecting your friends to some late-night karaoke sessions. It uses a very modern wireless connection, so you won't deal with those annoying signal drops while you're walking around with your phone in your pocket. You can even pair two of these units together to get a wider sound stage. But here's the reality check you need. Loudness is not the same thing as depth. This unit uses dual full-range drivers. That means it pushes a lot of air and reaches high volumes, but it does not have a dedicated subwoofer. Without that, you simply won't get that bone-shaking bass. If you are a fan of heavy electronic music or hip-hop, you might find the low end feels a little thin or hollow. It is punchy, sure, but it won't vibrate your floorboards or move your soul. Then there is the battery life to think about. You get about 6 hours if you turn the light show off completely. That is perfectly fine for a standard dinner party. However, it might die before the after party even gets going. If you keep the lights flashing, expect that battery time to drop even further. Another thing to consider is the brand reputation in the long run. This company is famous for giving you a massive list of features for a very low price point. However, long-term durability is the big question mark that pops up in a lot of user reviews. Some people absolutely love the value they get for their money. Others find that the build quality or the internal components don't hold up after several months of heavy use. It feels like a bit of a gamble. You are essentially trading premium materials and deep, rich sound for pure volume and flashy features. If you are looking for a casual speaker for the backyard or a spare room, this might be exactly what you need. It is loud, it is fun, and it won't empty your bank account. Just do not expect it to replace a high-end home theater system or professional studio monitor. It is a party starter on a budget. Nothing more and nothing less. You have to decide if that raw volume is worth the trade-off in audio precision. Sometimes loud is enough to get people dancing. Other times you want to feel every single note in your chest. This speaker might fall just a bit short of that high fidelity mark. It remains a solid choice for the casual listener who wants a bit of flair without the high price tag. Just keep your expectations grounded and keep the charger close by, just in case the party goes longer than planned. It is all about knowing what you are paying for and what you are willing to give up. If you want a fun vibe and a loud voice, this box delivers exactly that. If you want a lifetime companion for your most critical listening sessions, you might want to keep looking.